So, hey guys, we are so excited that we have opportunity to present our project that we have been working on. Sorry for technical difficulties, but we try to present it the best way that we can. So let's get started.
So thank you very much. The reason why we decided to do this project is our city, and we are local patriots and want our city to grow. And there were some tries to make our city more progressive, like local currencies. So we would support local businesses, but it didn't really work. So we made local crypto, which should fix these problems based on motivation of students, which would be fixed to the region where it is amiss, and it would help a region generally in every way. So why we decided to use blockchain, or particularly decent, it's extremely fast. So when we compare it, for example, with Bitcoin and Ethereum, it's really fast. And it's because it is blockchain, it's really safe and secure. So it was a really good decision, considering also political ties in Slovakia when there is low trust for politicians. So, and also implementation of this blockchain is really easy. So it was best way to implement this blockchain. The reason behind it will be explained by Misha.
Okay, so the very important part of our project is that the tokens never leave the region. This is done by what you can see here. The region creates as many tokens as they want. It doesn't cost them anything. They can deliver the tokens to the students in student institutions like schools, libraries, hospitals, etc. They can then pay the tokens to students for some activities like, I don't know, helping the poor or whatever. And the students, they can then spend the tokens directly in the region, like public transport or in local businesses. And they then can have different advantages from the region when they have these tokens. So now more to how it actually looks.
So unfortunately we don't have a live demo, but it's a web app and we have screenshots of the web app. So first of all, you need to sign there with your user account and password, and then you get to your wallet. You can see your balance in KHT, KOSICE Hack Token, in the upper right corner. And then there's a form to send KHT tokens to anyone. For example, when you go to a restaurant and you want to redeem some price or some discount, you just send them these tokens and they immediately see in their own wallet the transaction in the history section. And in the left corner, you can collect the badges, and these badges update based on your account history in blockchain. So they automatically update, and they are safe and they are always right. So here's how the history works. And on the left is a big advantage of this system, that you can see leading KHT services, and this can be good for local businesses because they can promote themselves.
Okay, guys, I think your time is up. Sorry. So now is the time
Thanks.
for the questions.
So what is your tech stack? What technologies are you using? So today we are using Node.js. Of course, for frontend we use CSS and HTML, and in the backend we also use a blockchain technology, Decent or Decor as you want, if you want.
Thank you. Hi guys, I just wanted to ask you about what are the things that you want to reward, and how do you want to sort of validate that these rewards are okay, and who will be the one who will be rewarding the actions that you talked about, like helping the poor, etc.
Okay, so the actions that we thought of was, for example, blood donations or some some tourism facilities or some local markets or whatever, and these businesses would get a special part in a cash flow, and in our small database they get a type of giver, and then they can send tokens to user accounts. So this cash flow is implemented in our own system. That, for example, businesses can't send tokens to users. The cash flow needs to be there. So they can get and the privileges to send tokens to users can only be acquired from a region and the root account in a dashboard that we don't have time to show. And so then they can get a special position in a cash flow.
Right, makes sense. Thank you very much.
I wanted to ask you, what are the advantages the local businesses will have in the region? Because you said it wouldn't cost anything, but it will cost the region something in that case.
You meant for local businesses?
Yeah.
So for local businesses, it's better because they can have placeholder on this side. So it's like
just a
today
quick
for
answer,
companies.
please. Sorry, just a quick answer.
So it's important for businesses to promote themselves. So this is one of the way, and of course they can get benefits from the local governments, such as beneficiary concerts, gala evenings, and parties. So they can also attend, especially on these events.
Okay, thank you.